If you're struggling to efficiently manage memory in C programming, try this approach. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're wrapping up our C language series with an in-depth look at structures and unions. These are powerful tools that can help you manage different data types and optimize memory usage in your programs. Let's dive in. In C language, a structure is a collection of different data items. You can use the struct keyword followed by the structure name to declare it. All the items for that structure are enclosed in curly brackets. After that, you can declare structure variables that follow the template you created, or use the struct keyword with the structure name and the variables you want to declare. To store values in these structure variables, use curly brackets and separate the values with commas according to your structure template. To access or change the elements of your structure variables, type the structure name followed by a dot and then the variable name. A union, on the other hand, is a special data type in C that allows different data types to be stored in the same memory location. Unions are accessed and declared just like structures, but instead of the struct keyword, you use union. However, in a union, you can only have one member with a value at a time. Once you assign a value to another union member, the previous value is overwritten. Unions are especially useful for efficient memory management. This concludes our C language series. I hope you've enjoyed and learned a lot from these videos. Mastering structures and unions is key to writing efficient and effective C programs. Try incorporating them into your projects. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching and keep coding.